Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Sending photos directly to someone else's Aura frame is one of the best ways to share memories in real time, especially with family or loved ones who live far away. Instead of manually transferring files, Aura allows you to instantly upload pictures that appear right on their frame. However, many users get confused about how to actually send photos to another person's frame, especially when permissions or sharing access are involved. The process isn't complicated, but it does require the correct setup so your photos go to the right frame without any issues. Once everything is connected properly, you can share moments anytime from your phone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send photos to someone else's Aura frame step by step. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app on your phone. Step 2. Log into your Aura account. Step 3. Select the shared frame to the recipient's frame. Step 4. Choose the photos you want to send from your gallery. Step 5. Upload the selected photos to the chosen frame. Step 6. Confirm the photos appear on the recipient's Aura frame.